Yo, what is going on, guys? I am sitting inside of an Integra Dc5 Type R. Huge shout out to my mate Paul for helping me sort the insurance and everything and let me bang out a quick review on this. This is going to be good. I've looked forward to driving one of these and since I've seen them. Absolute unreal motors. So yeah guys, the Honda Integra Dc5 was a model which I believe was, I think it was 2001 to 2005, I think. I don't know masses on these, so I've had to do a little bit of research. They're obviously Japanese imports. It's never made in the UK, and I'll tell you what, the Japanese really made a fantastic motor really with this car. They really did. So it comes standard out of the factory with around, I think it's 230 brake horsepower. Some say 230, some say 220. I've read a couple that say 225, but we're going to pick it up and we're going to say 230. I believe it has around 173 foot-pound of torque, which in my opinion you can tell in comparison to my EP3 pre-VTEC. There's a lot more pull and you can definitely feel the difference in torque. But obviously the Integra that was made before this was the Integra DC2. That had a JDM and a UK edition. And I've found out, and I've done it already. What just happened, guys, is the indicators, because it's Japanese, are on the opposite side. So natural, you can think about it all you want, but naturally you always click that side. It's on the right instead of the left. So I've just flicked the window wipers on. That's one thing I did not want to do in this review. But yeah guys, as I was saying, in comparison to the DC2, this car had 200cc more because it's a K20 engine. So it's a 2 litre rather than the B18, which was a 1.8. And it has, the car itself is, I think it was 10 kilograms lighter than the Integra DC2. So when they made this car, they really made something special. To be honest, I just can't wait to get down a little cheeky road and just give it a bit of beef. Paul's gave me permission to give it the beans. Wrong way, I've just clicked down into the way. Just gonna get some getting used to. But yeah, it's just about getting used to the car really. So yeah guys, the owner, Paul, the car was fairly standard when he bought it, other than gotta try and pronounce this, a Fujitsubo catback exhaust system, which just has a lovely little deep purr to it, nothing too loud. But there was no induction kit or anything like that, so the owner opted out for the K&N Typhoon Induction Kit. Very common with the Type Rs, however, they do a great job. They sound amazing, they really do, and we'll hear that in a second when we get some VTEC on the go. That's nice. Oh, I've got to try and turn it the other way. I'll figure it the other way. Tell you what, this is, I'm going to keep it third, just see where we get with this. Yeah, VTEC, 6K, and it's revving out at just under 9 grand. That looked to me like it was almost 9 crane. What a car, man. What a car. Right around here. But yeah guys, as I was saying, the owner, so obviously he's got the exhaust on there, which he is changing. It's been booked in, so there'll be a video coming on that anyway. But K&N Typhoon Induction Kit. And there's also, you probably can't notice here, if you could see the other seat you could, which reminds me, these seats are I absolutely love the red Recaros. I love this design. I was looking at these for my EP3. I think these are absolutely amazing. But There guys, look in comparison, this one's slightly lower. This has a Spoon Sports seat rail on, so I'm sitting a lot lower, and it does give that sporty feel. You know, I'm a lot closer to the road, and yeah, it gives off a kind of sporty feel when you're driving the car. Getting in and out isn't bad either, to be honest. I thought it would be when he told me. I thought, oh god, that's going to be painful for the back, but no, yeah, nice. I like it. I could definitely get used to this. But yeah guys, this car's had such attention to detail. There's carbon fibre, carbon fibre fascia around the stereo. There's carbon fibre sort of did here where the I'm not sure what that is. I believe that's, oh yeah, lighter, cigarette lighter. Yeah, carbon fibre around there. It's got a Skunk 2 gear knob. Doubt that's standard, but there's a password JDM carbon fibre lip on top of this, the spoiler at the rear end, and with that spoiler as well, when you throw around the bend, because this handles so much better than my EP3 around corners. I'm gonna try and get used to that. Clutch isn't chunky, but I like that. Clutch is nice as well, to be honest. But yeah, absolutely, just I can't express anymore how unreal this car is. I really do like this car, and they go for a lot of money, I understand that, but rightfully so, because you have got a monster here. Lovely purr coming out the back end, a real nice purr. But yeah, as I was saying guys, the handling on this in comparison to my EP3 is just absolutely bonkers. Like, you can just throw it around a bend no problem and it just sticks. It just sticks to the floor. It's like it's on rails. It's like a tramp on chips, to be honest. It flies on turd. It doesn't move. I mean, granted, today I'm not going to really chuck it into a bend or anything. It's not my car to kind of, yeah, he has given me permission to give it some, but it's not my car to do that. But when I've been in it and he's drove it, and you're sitting there thinking, Christ, yeah, that's a motor. That sticks. But yeah, guys, when they made this car, they were ahead of their time. Electric mirrors, when you start the car up, they automatically fold out. Obviously the electric windows, they were just about starting to come in, I believe, at that sort of era. Brembo calipers and brakes on the front, just unbelievable. Really easy. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this review. I hope you all enjoyed it. Great car, tremendous car. Shame they were never made in this country, but it's one of them. When you got a car like this, you know, you want it to be special, you don't want many around, and that's exactly what these are. You don't see them very often, and truly phenomenal car. But yeah, anyway guys, I've been Pratt, so thanks for watching, stay tuned.